My father was a poet and a writer. His lifestyle was just the opposite of mine. He would get up at midday, go down to his office, write, come back, stay up all night, write. So when I was up, he was sleeping, and when he was sleeping, I was up.
Writing was a very, very major part of my father's life. I mean, he used to write until 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. You know, we were almost getting up when he was going to sleep. We always had to be quiet until he got up. And if the phone rang or something, we would almost shudder because we were afraid that it was going to wake him up.
It wasn't something that I really held against him, because that was the way it was. He knew exactly what his mission in life was.
He had his own little study, and he would sit at his typewriter. I still remember that, you know, his Yiddish typewriter, and type away with his cigarette holder out of his mouth. And
it was a wonderful, I mean, I wouldn't have traded my early upbringing with anybody.
They were happy memories. You know, when I remember them and I laugh, oh, you know, do you remember when Daddy was sleeping and somebody would call? Our house was a very rich house in many ways.